20 pounds a month. You can do it. You can lose 20 pounds a month. I'm gonna show you right now, step by step, how you can lose 20 pounds monthly. You wanna lose weight? Stand by. I'm gonna show you right now. If this is your first time here, please subscribe. We share daily tips on how to lose weight, to stay fit, and also on fragrances. Let's start right now with the matter in hand. It is possible to lose 20 pounds of body fat in 30 days by optimizing any of these two factors, exercise and diet. Yes, it is possible. Here are 10 tips on how to go about it. First thing first, as soon as you wake up in the morning, take a nice cold shower. Why? Well, researchers believe that the increased metabolic rate, which results from the body's attempt to warm up itself, you start burning calories, trying to activate the immune system and releases more white blood cells in response. These blood cells protect your body against diseases. Number 2, drink a glass of water. One of the best things you can do after you wake up, a drink of glass of water. Water fires up your metabolism, hydrates you, helps your body flush out toxins, gives your brain fuels, and make you eat less. While you sleep, your body slowly becomes dehydrated because it needs fluid to operate. Naturally, you don't drink water while you sleep because, well, you are sleeping. 70% of your body is made of water, so it is essential to keep it fresh and top up to keep the body working properly. When the body's water requirement is not met, it has a variety of negative short-term and long-term health consequences. Help your body to better avoid these conditions by drinking water after waking up and keeping your body hydrated throughout the day. Number 3, meditation. Meditation is the act of focusing the attention on becoming more mindful. Some people practice meditation for only 5 minutes a day, though experts suggesting trying to work that up to about 20 minutes a day. For those who are just starting out, consider taking 5 minutes in the morning to clear up your mind before getting out your day. The more common benefits you experience are improve learning ability and memory, increase productivity, decrease physical tension, lower blood pressure, strengthen immune system, higher energy level, improve sleep quality. Number 4, hit the gym with an empty stomach. Working out on an empty stomach is essentially working out while fasting. Working out on an empty stomach or after a cup of tea, maybe a green tea, means that your body is not preoccupied with digesting huge amount of food. Instead, it is able to deliver large amount of oxygen to your muscles and potentially burn more fat. Exercising on empty stomach has been shown to be especially great for fat loss, and for people who are trained while fasted become progressively better at burning fat at higher levels of intensity. Number 5, do compound exercises. Yes, in order to maximize your fat burning process. The fast way to improve performance, exercise, especially intense exercise that uses a lot of muscles such as deadlift, bench press, squats, pull-ups, etc., causes a big surge in testosterone, which is why it can make good sense to combine exercise and fasting. Many studies have found that training in a fasted state is a terrific way to build lean muscles and build insulin sensitivity. Not just because of the nifty hormonal responses, but also because it makes the body absorb the post-workout meal more efficiently. In short, fasted training helps to ensure that carbs, protein, and fats go to the right places in the body and are stored only minimally as body fat. Number 6. Practice intermittent fasting 16-8. Unless you live under a rock, I will bet you have at least one friend who is fasting intermittently. On the other hand, if you are the kind of person who is a devoted IG user, if you follow some kind of celebrities, then you have definitely seen folks there talking about how much they love the buzzy eating plan. Basically, intermittent fasting calls for restricting eating to certain time periods within a given day or week. In 16-8 fasting, you restrict eating to a specific 8-hour window every day, so that you are essentially fasting for 16 hours every day. You choose what your hours are. If you like to eat dinner late, For example, you could choose to have your first meal of the day at 1 p.m. and not eat any more food for the day after 9 p.m. No foods are off limit, but the idea is that you should not eat bigger meals than you normally would during the 8 hours. It has generally been considered less restrictive and more flexible than many other diet plans, and can easily fit into just about any lifestyle. In addition to enhancing weight loss, 16-8 intermittent fasting is also believed to improve blood sugar control, boost brain function, and enhance longevity. Number 7. Proper rest. You need to sleep right. You need a good night's sleep. I'm sure you have heard it before as well. You need to get around 8 hours of rest each night. The problem is, even though most people are aware of this, there's still a good chunk of them that still are not getting enough sleep. Why do you need to rest enough? Well, lack of sleep also increases your appetite. Poor sleep has repeatedly been linked to a higher body mass index and weight gain. Lack of sleep actually alters the way your brain works. This may make it harder to make healthy choices and resist tempting foods. Probably the most important one reason you need proper rest is so your body can heal after your workouts. Without proper rest, your muscles will not recover adequately, leading to potential injuries and muscle atrophy. Number 8. Eat small portion. Practicing portion control can help you learn to be satisfied eating less food, which can help you both physically and financially. One of the most important steps in losing weight and keeping it off begins with your meals. It is 30% in the gym and 70% in the kitchen. If you want to lose weight, portion control is a fairly easy way to lose or maintain your weight. In addition, smaller meals may also boost your energy throughout the day. Sticking to small portion may be tough at first, but once you begin, you will pick up the habit quickly. Number 9. Use a standing desk at work. According to Bloomberg, a new study shows that you can lose up to 22 pounds as long as you don't sit down for 4 years. Well, this is a bit exaggeration, but if you can stand up while working and move around your office every now and then, this can help you pretty much to lose weight. This is, of course, sitting down is not something you should do for 8 to 9 hours a day. Standing does in fact burn calories. Researchers found, for example, one study found that people who stood at a desk for 6 hours a day only lost 44 more calories daily than those who sit. So 44 calories a day, it's something. Number 10, avoid alcohol. First, alcohol can cause weight gain simply because it has calories. Sometimes there is nothing better after a hard day at work than a cold beer or a glass of wine. If you drink and consume more calories than you need, you are more likely to store the fat. When alcohol is in your system, it is harder for your body to burn fat that is already there. Most people are not under the impression that alcohol is calorie-free or a health booster, but many of them don't realize that the calories are not the only problem when it comes to consuming alcohol. Calories derived from alcohol are not the same as those calories you might get from other carbohydrates or energy sources. If you want to stay healthy, toned, and happy as you age, avoid drinking alcohol. Alcohol is a very powerful chemical, so if you think that you are struggling with alcohol addiction, you must speak to a professional immediately and seek help. And if you need to lose weight, then alcohol should be avoided. The bottom line, losing 20 pounds can seem like a major challenge. It can be done quickly and safely by making a few simple changes to your diet and lifestyle. For best result, mix and match these steps to enhance both weight loss and overall health. With a little patience and determination, it is entirely possible to drop 20 pounds to help reach your weight loss goals in no time. I hope you liked the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you on the next one.